Hello, incredible viewers. Welcome to Korean Moonlight. Today, we're exploring the magnetic allure of Park Bo-gum, whose blend of delicate features and nuanced acting has made him a master of heartfelt melodramas. Let's unravel his journey. Park Bo-gum's soft visuals and gentle smile might first draw you in, but it's the quiet melancholy in his eyes that adds profound depth to his roles. After a years-long hiatus, he returns with his most compelling performance yet as Won-sik in When Life Gives You Tangerines, a character that showcases his evolved emotional range and maturity. Though Park quickly rose to fame in K-dramas, he deliberately chose smaller, diverse film roles early on to hone his craft. Supporting turns in acclaimed movies like Blind, 2011, Roaring Currents, 2014, and A Hard Day, 2014, allowed him to experiment with genres from thrillers to historical epics. A pivotal moment came in 2015 with Hello Monster, where he played a chilling villain, a rare departure from his typical gentle roles. This darker turn revealed his versatility, but his true breakthrough arrived months later with Reply 1988. As Choi Tae, a shy go prodigy whose brilliance contrasts with his timid demeanor, Park stole hearts. Set against the backdrop of Seoul's 1988 Olympics, the series became a cultural phenomenon, cementing Park as a household name and earning him the title, Nation's Boyfriend. Thanks for watching Korean Moonlight. If you loved this deep dive into Park Bo-gum's career, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights into your favorite K-drama stars. Stay tuned for our next video.